Ang indie music company sa ilalim ng Universal Records ang siyang magre-release ng mga album ni Ogie Alcacid at Regine Velasquez. Puring-puri ng dalawa ang pakikipagtrabaho sa nasabing kumpanya.
Pareho yung vision namin. We all felt that they were very interested in working with us, and we were very interested working with them. So, yun.
At saka we worked with them before. I worked with...
Yes, Mr. Choi Ying is our...
Before, big boss.
A big boss before.
And still our big boss now.
So now he's our big boss again.
Again, yes.
One thing is for sure, that both parties will be working very hard and in pursuing, producing great music. The first of which is Regine's
The
soundtrack
of my movie. 14 tracks kasi may bonus track na isa. So, bali 13 tracks talaga lahat. And then, we have guest artists here also. We have Dennis Trillo, who's our artist. And Jano Gibbs will be in the soundtrack. And of course, Jay Duria. So, medyo malaman yung soundtrack. And of course, Robin is there. We have a duet. Tapos for the first time, marirelease na yung Di Na Nag-iisa, which was the theme song of Darna. Sa soundtrack, wala kaming duet. Pero I have a duet with Robin Padilla. Ang dinuet namin ni Robin, Alipin. Yung Shamrock.
Speaking of Robin, totoo bang naghain ito sa kanya ng marriage proposal?
Sa kasal? Hindi naman.
Nagano siya ka-in love sa'yo?
May ganun ba? Ewan ko sa kanya. Hindi naman niya ako tinanong. Wala naman siyang binibigay na singsing, so wala. Since this is our second time to work together, parang mas naging close kami. Mas nakilala ko siya, mas nakilala niya ako. Tsaka meron talaga naman kaming chemistry. So, ito kasing movie na to, iba din yung character ko. Ito kasi talagang medyo may pagkapalengkera ako dito eh.
At ngayong nakabalik na sa bansa mula sa kanilang UK tour, apektado pa rin ba sina Ogie at Regine sa kinumpirmang scoop ng batikang kolumnistang si Ricky Lo na sila na nga?
Hindi na kami nag-uusap eh. Galit-galit.
Malayo din kasi ako noon eh. Oo.
Hindi, nasa
Wala.
Australia. Nasa Australia siya.
Wala yun. Walang problema.
And since Ogie made a side trip to Australia, was there a chance for him and wife Michelle Van Eimeren to thresh things out?
Okay naman. Maiksi. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Ito na lang indie music.